Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best ergonomic keyboards.
Starting at number 5.
Keychron Q11. If you expertly sawed a mechanical keyboard in two, it would look like the Keychron Q11. You can even push the two halves back together to make it look like a standard 75% mechanical board. Though once you discover the expediency of a snack bowl between the halves, I don't know why you'd do that. Keychron is widely respected in the mechanical keyboard world because they make quality keyboards that aren't astronomically expensive. Like all Keychron devices, you can buy this one assembled or bare bones, to which you can add your own keycaps and switches. I tested a fully assembled model with Keychron G Pro red linear mechanical switches, which provide smoother action and a quieter clack than tactile or clicky switches. The keycaps are made from PBT, a higher quality polymer than the ABS plastic keys found in less expensive keyboards. The machined aluminum body feels substantial and there's no wobble. All of that combined creates a luxe and durable feel and a satisfying, buttery clack as you type. The assembled version comes with keycaps and a keycap puller to set up the board for either Mac or Windows. A switch at the top of the board toggles between the two operating systems, ensuring the function keys act appropriately. Extra keys include the two customizable knobs at the top corners and 5 macro keys to the left of the board. Those in the rest of the board can be programmed with open-source keyboard firmware QMK and VIA, which most Keychron boards are compatible with out of the box.
Coming at number 4.
Logitech Ergo K860. The Ergo K860 from Logitech closely resembles a standard keyboard, so there's not much of a learning curve. But subtle changes like the Alice layout, tinted middle and optional negative tilt make typing noticeably more ergonomic. Logitech makes some of our favorite PC accessories, and the reasons why are all evident with this keyboard. It connects quickly and reliably via Bluetooth. The build is solid and feels high quality, and it's reasonably priced at $130. And is often on sale for around $100. It's compatible with more recent iterations of Windows, Mac OS, iPad OS, Chrome OS, and Linux, though you'll need software to support non-basic key functions for the latter two operating systems. There are 3 switching buttons that swap between previously connected devices, and the board speedily swapped between a MacBook and a PC laptop in my tests. Built-in function keys like volume and brightness worked well, and the Option/Start and Command/Alt combo keys worked correctly depending on which computer was connected to.
At number 3.
KINESIS Freestyle 2. The Freestyle 2 is the most versatile ergonomic keyboard on the market and is designed to adapt to your body type and preferences to increase your comfort and boost your productivity. Customize the position of the keyboard modules with adjustable split, splay, and tenting to achieve natural positions for your hands, wrists, and forearms to reduce static muscle tension and strain.
Number 2 of my list.
Logitech Wave Keys. The Logitech Wave Keys is our recommendation if you're looking for a mid-range ergonomic keyboard. It has a much smaller footprint on your desk than the other options on this list, but includes all the same keys as a full-size keyboard like the Logitech Ergo K860 above. It has a curved key layout that tends upwards slightly towards the middle. This overall design isn't as radical as a truly split key cluster layout like the Ergo K860. Still, it comes close to offering a similarly neutral typing posture and does a good job of limiting how steeply you need to angle your wrists while typing. The Logitech's design is quite compact overall, but it has an integrated wrist rest, so it's still fairly deep and isn't a particularly portable option. That said, it's still a great versatile choice for moving between spots in your home or between hot desks in the office, as it connects wirelessly with a USB receiver or via Bluetooth with up to 3 devices at once. Its compact design also means its keys are spaced just a bit closer than most standard keyboards. This doesn't negatively impact how comfortable it is to type on, but it can take some getting used to at first.
And number 1.
Logitech Ergo K860. For most people looking for an ergonomic keyboard, we recommend the Logitech Ergo K860. It has a very comfortable plush wrist rest and a wave-like shape that effectively creates two separate key clusters on either side of the board, one for each hand. This shape aligns your hands, wrists, and elbows in a neutral position that isn't as taxing on your body as a conventional keyboard and can help you stay comfortable while typing, especially if you use your keyboard for long stretches. While it's made entirely of plastic, it feels high quality and sturdy overall. The switches on this keyboard are light to press, so you don't need to worry about tiring out your fingers while you type. These switches are also very quiet, which is great if you're worried about bothering those around you in the office or at home. Also, you can connect this keyboard wirelessly with its USB receiver or via Bluetooth, so you don't need to worry about a cable getting in the way of placing your keyboard in a position that's most comfortable for you.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.